So what took you to multi-day racing? So leading up to the first 3-day race. Oh, that actually before the injury happened before all of this, right?
Yeah.
So we have to talk about the injury.
Yeah.
How did the injury happen and talk
So
us through that phase as well, which was also the reason you weren't coming on the podcast for a
yeah,
while.
I was
because you
out of
didn't-
action. So
Yeah.
the journey has been like last 10 years. Out of 10 years, I've been out of action for 3 years. Out of action as in totally out of action. 2019, yeah. I had my last run with Biplab in June 2019 or May end or June. I don't remember the date, but it was May or June. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was one of the high mileage person, and I had done this 175 national record, and I was selected to be a part of the World Championship team in 2019 December that was going.
Right.
So of course that Kida is there to perform, outperform, compete. So I was training as to what I like, whatever the mileage was given to me. And I started having niggle. And being an endurance athlete, you start ignoring those niggles, thinking that is one of those pains which will go away and fade away.
Right.
I kept on doing that and kept on running on it. The pain was in the back, which started shooting down to the leg. And it was a neuropathy, which is basically a disc bulge where the nerves are coming down and the nerve being impinged to the extent that I couldn't stand.
So this is in your back.
This is the back, but the pain radiating down to the leg, to the
Is
right
this
leg.
sciatica nerve?
This
pain?
is sciatica nerve,
Okay.
which was coming down, and to the extent that I couldn't stand for even 10 minutes or even 5 minutes, I would say. There was a time and even 5 minutes was difficult. One reason was I was not strength training and stretching, which we as runners totally ignore, which is a major reason, which I have, if I go in the hindsight, that was a major reason. I got injured. I had to withdraw of course, going to the washroom when it was difficult. I couldn't drive. I couldn't go to work. I saw life moving ahead when people were like in the normal scenario, and I was held back in a bed where even going to the washroom was like a task.
Wow.
So, and that was like good 8 months. I went into depression, if you call it depression. I don't even know what was depression, but I used to like hate people living a normal life. I couldn't stand people laughing in front of me. I went off social media. I went off not the phone, but phone was like a necessity. But I was not in touch with anybody. I wouldn't revert
You
or
stopped
reply.
responding to people.
And even in office.
Stop being in touch.
Stop being in touch. And I was like, how can people live normally when I'm in bed? I don't know what it was.
Yeah.
It was a depression. So I was asked if I needed a medical help. I think if Sachin wouldn't have been there, I would have had to take a medical help or a mental help. But I didn't take it because Sachin was there, and Sachin was like a real big support around that time.
Yeah.
I didn't even like when Sachin was talking over the phone and enjoying and talking and laughing over the phone. I was like in that state. So any which ways, 8 months, I went to a lot of chiropractors, I a lot of physiotherapists, lot of हार्दिक पांडे के डॉक्टर के पास पहुंच गए थे हम. हार्दिक पांडे की उस टाइम पे बैक सर्जरी हुई थी. वो लंदन गया था. लंदन के डॉक्टर्स तक आई रोट एन ईमेल कि भैया आई वांट टू गेट अ सर्जरी डन. आई वांट टू रन फॉर इंडिया. Before messaging and informing AFI that I'm out of the game, I did all I could to get back to shape.
Okay.
I couldn't. The
So
final,
even that didn't help. Like
nothing helped.
okay.
Nothing was helping me out. I visited a lot of surgeons. Surgeons being surgeons, they were asking me to get a surgery, which I didn't want to. So a lot of asked for it. I was like doing everything that sare wo rings, sare wo whatever that tantric mom asking panditjis and all. Everything was done, right? You know when you're in a bad state, you do everything that is possible on this earth. So I did that. And before saying no to AFI, I took another. Sachin calls me from Jamshedpur. Again, he was a weekend husband. He calls me like, have you informed them? I was like, let me take another 5 days. I wanted to go down and run. I was on the second floor. I wanted to go down and run, but I couldn't even reach to the door. And that's like, I was literally crying and calling AFI. And I had to control my tears, had a glass of water and calling AFI. Made it a big deal that I'm calling AFI and I'm saying no to them, that I'm out of the game, find a replacement. Now, in the hindsight, I laugh on it. It was such a small thing, It's just that, the feeling of missing out, of FOMO. The FOMO. I knew that young girls are coming. I might not get a chance again. I knew a lot of competition is there. And it's a big thing to represent your country, right?
Yeah.
I had tasted that, for the Worlds and the Asian ones. I wanted to do it again. And nothing better than wearing a national vest. But that was it. That I had to... And I had tasted glory. I had bloggers and journalists after me. I knew I was on top of the game. I had tasted everything and I wanted it to continue forever. And that's where I missed out on life. I missed out on those good 8 months. I was in a room. I was always crappy. I was always sobbing. I was always crying. I was like always throwing tantrums as if life has come to a stop. Why? That is a phase that I had to take it and I had to endure it and I had to be okay with it. But I didn't do it. Anyways, so, and hence 2019 World Championship happened. I was there on the link, wanting India to do very good, but not wanting the girls to do good. That's like
imagine.
Three Idiots.
Yeah.
When you want, यार ये दोस्त लोग कैसे आगे जा सकते हैं यार, वो ज़्यादा hurt करता है,
Yeah.
right? So that was me, 2019. And that phase passed. It was a bad phase. Comes 2020 and the COVID hits.
Yeah.
And everybody is inside the house. And Sachin tells me that was all in your mind.
Yeah.
I don't know. March 2020.
It wasn't China, it was you.
I really don't know. March 2020 and everybody's in home and everybody confined to their houses. And I'm so happy about that. That sciatica pain L4, L5 is for everybody now. And I had taken a surgery date by that time because I was in a bad shape. And the non-essential surgeries were delayed because of COVID. I had March 25th as my surgery date. And the COVID was this. And I had to, of course, I got a call from Fortis Hospital, Gurgaon. We were about to shift here and we didn't shift because of the COVID. And I got a call that the surgery has been delayed because, there's non-essential surgery.
Yeah.
And I think, everything, again, I say the energies and being at the right time, right place. Things just worked out that I didn't go for the surgery. And March 2020, with ghar ka jhadu pocha, whatever was happening, it just started working. I started moving from one room to another with ease. And I was in a duplex, so I could move from my ground floor to the top floor with ease. Taking that stairs was also, like, I didn't even go upstairs, like it was a duplex house for bloody 9 months. So I started moving around with comfort. Comes April, May, June, I think I started walking with ease. Sachin took me for the first time. I used to go only to meet the doctors. I never used to go anywhere else. For 8-10 months, my parents used to come visit me and I didn't used to like. I used to tell them not to come. I didn't want to meet anybody. Right. So I was confined to that, whatever, if you call that depression. I really didn't know still don't know what it was. So I went down. Sachin made me walk around for a kilometer and that was like a happy zone to just walk for a kilometer after that bloody 10 months. Sachin made sure that I started walking every day from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometers walk and 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers. So this took me almost 2-3 months when I got comfortable with 5, 7, 8 kilometers of walking with easy walking. And then he started with that, why don't you start running? And I was like, I'll not be able to run ever. The pain was still there, but it had just calmed down a little. So in that process of making me come back to my runs, he became a runner. So I don't remember after how much time we would have run. I would have run after a year and a half, doing my first 2 kilometers with him. And I just loved it. I had tears after that I'm back to my running. So, and I started going back to my work again. It was life coming back to normalcy. And it did teach me a lot. So it taught me that, glory is for short time. उड़ते सूरज को सलाम होता है. So you better be okay with that and just try to strive the goals for yourself. Try to run for yourself, run for your betterment, run for your own personal goals rather than just trying to reach it. If glory has to come, it will come. Even if it doesn't come, it's okay. That was it. And I think after that, coming to 21 kilometers took me almost 6 months. And another 6 months for 42 or 50. Anyway, so that was 2021. 2022, I signed up for the first 12 hours race with NEB again, Bangalore.
Okay.
I did first 12 hours and Sachin couldn't come with me. The airfare was some 17K, one side. So it was like, okay. So Manoj crewed me for and now I think I don't need a crew for 12 hours, for sure. I mean,
it's a half marathon. Who does that?
Who has a crew? You don't need a crew for 12 hours.
Not even a half, it's a 10K.
But it was my first race.
So you like a 24-hour race is a half marathon.
No, it's not that. But I was doing it like as a comeback race, right? And I was so scared to do a 12 hours race.
Yeah.
So I went for that race, 2022. 2019, June was the last training thing what I did. I did build up to that training with Alfie. 2022, April or May, I did that race, and I think I clocked some 96 kilometers. I had tears. Again, I had the tears after like so many years after Hyderabad, just because I finished that race. And I was packing up. I had booked an Uber, and I got a call from NEB people that, where are you? We were on the podium. I was like, oh, really? I'm still on the podium.
Yeah,
And
back to
believe me, I had
running
to-
and back to podium.
Yeah, I had to cancel my Uber because I didn't even expect that to happen. Anyway, so after that, I did three 12 hours that year. I didn't jump to a 24 hours, and that was a very wise decision. I just love myself for being prudent there and like very conservative there, because I just didn't jump to a 24 hours that year. 12 hours in 2022. And then the first race in 2023, the Tough Man.
The
24
hours
hours,
Chandigarh.
the Chandigarh, which I
Right.
just discussed,
Right.
the behind the scenes stories.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. So Jan 2023, coming to multi-day races. Jan
Mhm.
2023, I wanted a goal. I didn't want to come. I was never sure I'll come back to 24 hours Indian tea. What's next?
Okay.
Where do I, what do I do next? What big do I do next?
Right.
Uh,
Just a couple of things in
Yeah.
what you shared. When you were not able to like walk to the washroom,
Yeah.
like in that phase, what was the hardest thing about it? What was it? Kya soch ke it was bothering you even more? So one, of course, the glory is gone. Did you think you'll ever run again?
No, I was like, I used to pray to God that, make me walk for at least 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer. When we like go down and start walking was like cushion in
So
front.
what does it feel like then? Somebody who's on the podium for running like so many
Yeah.
hours, and now you are. Did you at any point accept that you will not run again?
Yes, I had accepted that.
Because
I,
एक
I-
time आ चुका है जब सब try कर
it's
लिया.
been- it was almost a year. You
Hmm.
not been able to walk. Forget about running, man. So
Right.
yeah, like, I had accepted that this will not happen. So we'll see whatever happens. So I was sure that this running for sure is not happening.
Was over.
Yeah, running was over. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I think it was a bad phase. I
Hmm.
don't even know. I don't even remember. But it was a
Hmm.
bad phase. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
And did you but you said Sachin was very helpful
Yeah,
in dealing
yeah.
with your mental health around the time.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
he wouldn't have been there, I wouldn't have been able to make a comeback for
Hmm.
sure.
Okay.
And I'm proud to say that I made a comeback, because I have seen and I know many people in the running circuit
Yeah.
who get injured and who haven't come
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know many of them around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One sitting in front of you, but it's not. It's not like the game's over.
Yeah.
We're starting again.
Yeah.
But no, another friend of mine, Rathore, is suffering from a back
Yes,
issue, and
I had a word with
bringing
him.
up.
Yeah.
We keep bringing up you for inspiring him.
Yeah.
Don't lose hope, because he's got something to do with his back only.
Yeah,
but
where
I
the
think
pain radiates
is-
to his arm, I think.
no neck,
Neck. Yeah.
and
yeah,
he
yeah.
struggles to even sit,
Yeah.
and he's losing hope. So so वही मैं आपको भी कह रहा था कि
Yeah.
it must
There's
have been very
always
difficult to
I think you just have to be patient. One thing is the patience. And then second
ride
thing,
it out. That
write
phase.
it out. Yeah. And I think just that's what. Just survive those bad days.
Mm.
Because there would be the beautiful sky out there.
Yeah.
I'm sure there'll be a beautiful sky out there.
There's this.
And everything is so planned out. The God has his own ways to get you back to
Yeah.
wherever you are
Yeah.
destined to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, absolutely. This is beautiful. I think Veer Das once said it in a post somewhere. He said, when the going gets tough, right, and it gets dark everywhere,
Yeah.
you don't like work doubly hard and push things around to make sure the light comes again. He said, all you have to do is just lie down, and something will happen. The earth will move, and at some point you will see the sun
Sun.
again.
Yeah.
And you
Such a
just need to
beautiful-
hang in there.
Yeah.
Hang in there.
Yeah.
That's
just,
all.
Just be
So
a-
inspiring,
yeah.
actually.
So just be patient,
Mm.
I think,
Mm.
and just be there. I think things will
Yeah.
move in your favor.
Yeah.
God has his own ways, I think.
Yeah. If you enjoyed watching this little clip, you will love the full video. Click here now to watch it.